Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn campaign budget using Campaign Manager, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore your LinkedIn campaign budget using Campaign Manager, first, log into your LinkedIn Campaign Manager account. Navigate to the account that contains the campaign you want to restore. Locate the Campaigns tab in the main navigation menu. Once you are on the Campaigns page, find the campaign associated with the budget you wish to restore. Check the status of your campaign to ensure it is in a paused or inactive state. Next, select the campaign by clicking on its name. Look for the budget section within the campaign details. Here, you will see your current budget allocation. If your budget is at 0 or lower than desired, click the Edit option next to the budget amount. A new window will appear for you to adjust the budget. Enter the desired budget amount to restore it to the previous level. Ensure that the new budget aligns with your overall campaign goals. After entering the new budget amount, click the Apply or Save button to confirm the changes. Your campaign budget will now be updated, but you need to reactivate the campaign if it's paused. Find the status option in the campaign overview. Select the option to turn on or activate the campaign. Save your changes, and your campaign will begin running with the restored budget. Monitor the performance of your campaign to ensure it meets your expectations after the budget adjustment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.